What's up, y'all? It's your boy Chase. Back at it again. This time, I'm about to do a cover by one of my favorite groups of all time, Blackstreet. They've sold millions of records worldwide. One of my favorite songs by Blackstreet is actually Joy. It's a beautiful song. I love singing it. And now I want y'all to hear me and hear this wonderful song. So I'm going to go ahead and give y'all a little snippet of it and hope y'all like it. So here we go. Can't forgive the day that you walked into my life. It was just the kind of thing that was so right on time. After all of the love changes, my heart had locked the door. Then that girl released her magic and made me love once more. Ooh, like the warm rays of the sun, her sweet love came shining down on me. Oh, all at once turned my life around, and with one kiss she set me free. She's giving me joy, joy, joy. That girl, she brings me joy. She's giving me joy, joy, joy. That girl, she brings me joy. Yeah.